Hi, today I'm going to walk you through making a list in CountyCat, the catalog for the Milwaukee County Federated Library System and the one you use at our library. Why would you want to make a list? Basically, it is for any time you see something you like in the catalog and you want to save it for later. And right now, when placing holds in the catalog has been suspended until library buildings reopen, this is one way to keep track of what you want to place on hold until then. Let's start from the West Allis Public Library's homepage, westallislibrary.org, and click on Catalog Search in the top right-hand corner. Here is the Catalog Search homepage. I will type in a book I would like to place in my list. So I'm searching today for James Patterson's Blindside. I will click on the arrow to search. Here is the list of items that appear in my search. The first one looks interesting to me, so I place it in my book cart by clicking on the cart icon. Now that it is in my cart, I can go and add it to a list. First, I will click on My Book Cart in the top right-hand corner or View Cart on the same page. Here is my cart. I only have the one book in here. I could go looking for something else at this point by carrying out another search, and my book cart would be waiting for me. If I exited out of CountyCat, I would risk losing the things in my cart, so I want to save it to a list. To do that, I go to the menu for the cart. I can either remove from cart to clear it, add tag to add a descriptor, email myself the information about the record, or save to list, or print. I will choose Save to List, so I click on that option. I didn't log in earlier, so now I am being prompted to do that. I will add my library card barcode number and my PIN and click Submit. I am taken straight to a menu to save to my list. It is as simple at this point as giving my list a name and clicking Create. You can add a description if you would like to. The next box requires me to click OK. At this point, I can double check that I have that list and that book saved. I will click on My Lists. Here's the list I just made, and if I click on it, I will see that my book is indeed saved there. There you go. If I logged out now and came back to this another time, this list would be waiting here for me. So you have just seen me walk through how to make a list in CountyCat. I hope this helped. Please contact the West Allis Public Library if you need assistance with making lists or with any other library needs. We are here for you.